PC Woody Epoxy fixing a rotted windowsill. You first want to remove any loose paint, wood fibers, and debris with a scraper or stiff brush. PC Woody is a 2-part epoxy paste that is excellent for filling cavities in wood. It can be used on interior or exterior wood. The PC stands for protective coating. It was founded in 1954 by John Long and is a family-run company located in Allentown, Pennsylvania. So you want to brush off all the debris. Get it nice and clean. Now this is PC Petrifier, the wood hardener. It's water-based, so it's environmentally friendly. It's formulated to fully penetrate and revitalize rotted wood. So you want to pour this inside the crack and saturate the wood. And brush it in. And you want to give it 24 hours to dry before you add the epoxy. This is the next day. And it hardens. Now here's the PC Woody wood epoxy. This is part A, and this is part B. So you're going to mix equal parts of these two, 1-to-1 ratio. So you want something flat. I use this piece of metal, but you can use cardboard. And you don't want to double dip. You want to clean the spatula that you use to dig it out. You can use rubbing alcohol or use another spatula. There's no offensive odor like most putties have. There's hardly any odor to this, which I love. And it has a peanut butter consistency. And when it dries, the color is a light tan. So you want to mix this up really well. And in order to clean it up, you can use rubbing alcohol and rags and paper towels. So you want to put it inside the crack, fill it up. And smooth it out. This is the best part. This is the part that I love. You just take rubbing alcohol when it's still wet and you squirt it on it, and you take your hands with gloves on them and you smooth it out. That way you don't have to sand. Now, PC Woody mixes and spreads easier at higher temperatures, similar to peanut butter. I did this in the summer, so I recommend using this in the summer when the temperature's high. But when you're working in the winter, when it's cold, place the epoxy containers near heat prior to using to soften it. And when working on larger holes, use screen wire or wood blocks to fill it in. Now, if you're going to stain this, it's got to be thoroughly cured and sand it, or you can use the rubbing alcohol to smooth it out. But if you're going to sand it, you want to sand with the wood grain and then use medium or coarse sandpaper. Cured epoxy can be worked on like real wood. The epoxy paste contains real wood and will accept solid stain. Using a darker opaque stain would work better than a transparent stain. I chose to paint mine. Here's the finished look. Thanks for watching.